If you accidentally deleted a photo or video, don't worry, I'll show you 3 easy methods to get them back. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap on Collections at the bottom. Then tap on Trash. Here you'll find deleted photos and videos. Tap and hold on any item and press Restore to get it back. Keep in mind, backed up items stay for 60 days, while others may be deleted after 30 days. Next, open your Gallery app. Go to the menu and tap on Recently Deleted Items. This folder may contain different deleted photos. Again, select the photos and tap Restore. If you still can't find your files, use a third-party app. Open the Play Store and search for Disk Digger. Download and install the app. Open it and tap on Search for Lost Photos. Allow permissions if asked. The app will scan your phone for deleted files. Once the scan is complete, select the photos you want to recover. Tap Recover and choose where to save them. And that's it.